Okay, my name is Ikechukwu Erojikwe. I am a theater artist. I'm a director, I'm an actor, I'm a poet too. Now, in theater, we try to look for a balance and a convergence, and we try to push frontiers. In my last production titled Lambodo, written by Wolo Gunyemi and directed by myself, I tried to create magic on stage. By creating magic, I tried to delve into the world of mystery, the world of magic, the world of excitement. And we tried to bring in people from music, people from fine arts. Together we were able to create a fantastic production which the university appreciated. In that very production, we questioned the Nigerian story, the point of heroism and the point of appreciation. And we also tried to question our coexistence as a nation. While the playwright looked at it from the point of view, because it was a First Act 77 play that was talking about the glories of Nigeria and the point to which Nigeria was looking at. But in that particular story, we were no longer looking at the future, but our present, whereby we begin to question who we are as a nation and where we are going to as a nation, the failures we have experienced. Aside from that, to my point of interest or specialization as a theater artist is health humanities, where we begin to look at the convergence between health and humanities. And with that, we run a project at Microbiology, Water and Public Health Research Group, where we begin to look at ways through which theater can be used for public engagement and science communication. That we begin to look at ways through which we could help improve lifestyles, improve attitudes, and change behaviors. We begin to look at participatory theater, or what we also call theater for development or community theater, whereby we engage communities on ways through which they can improve their lifestyles and change attitudes. We've visited various communities. As a department, we run a course called Community Theater. So we've engaged various communities within Nsukka here, and we've visited them, we've challenged them to adopt new attitudes. We've discussed with them, because the point where we are looking at is where people begin to think about ways through which they can improve on whatever they do, when they no longer wait for government to come and change this for them, change that for them. And we have so many issues facing us as a nation, which the SDGs also look at. When we begin to talk about open defecation, we begin to talk about water issues, we begin to talk about a lot of issues. But the primary concern for me here, my contribution as a theater artist, is to make sure that I engage my students, make them believe in whom they are, make them begin to look at the world from various perspectives, not just one point perspective. They begin to look at ways through which they can effect change, because people normally view theater from a limited perspective, but theater is holistic. Theater can engage every discipline in whatever capacity. And I look at theater as a pointer, as a movement, as a vision that everybody needs to carry. Because when we dream and when we believe, we can see how we can change things, not just for ourselves, but for the entire community. Thank you.